Did you know someone might be sharing your Facebook video right now, but you don't even know who it is? What if I tell you, you can easily see who shared your reel, post, or video using Facebook's hidden method? Stay till the end because most people don't know this trick. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where smart creators learn real Facebook growth hacks. If your video is getting shares, that means your content is algorithm boosted. And today I'll show you exactly how to track those shares. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Go to your profile. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the three-dot menu and go to your profile. Now scroll and find the reel, video, post that you want to check. Step 2. Check share count. Now look below your video or post. You will see something like 1 share, 5 shares, 20 shares. That means people already shared your content. But now the main question, who shared it? Let's check. Step 3. Open notifications. Now go back to Facebook home screen. Tap on the notification icon. Here you will see who shared your reel, who shared your video, who shared your post, with full profile name and activity details. Boom. Now you can track your content reach. Before starting, subscribe to PreyoPhonie if you want. Viral reel tricks, monetization tips, creator growth secrets. Now let's jump into the steps. Why this is important. When people share your content, Facebook pushes your reel more, reach increases faster, viral chance becomes higher, monetization performance improves. That's why professional creators always monitor shares. Pro creator tips. If you want more people to share your video, add emotional hooks, use trending audio, add captions, keep first 3 seconds powerful, add call to action like share with friends. This increases organic growth massively. Now you know exactly how to see who shared your Facebook video, how to track reel shares, how to analyze your viral performance. Remember, views show popularity, but shares show power. If this helped you, like this video, share with creators, subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't upload randomly. We build viral creators.